Hello everybody and welcome back. I have an update video to the DAH Solar review video where I reviewed the DAH Solar panels and inverter kit. That was for the balcony power systems that we have in Germany. And the kit that I got back then, this kit, this was a prototype unit. It had a model and serial number that was not recorded in the CE specifications, and it's missing the CE sign. And DAH Solar promised that they would send me the updated kit, and because of things going wrong, and it wasn't their fault or anything, this took a little bit, but it finally arrived. I have the updated version of the DAH Solar inverter, and this thing doesn't only have the very strange looking CE mark, but it is numbers matching to the CE certificate that they've had. And also this here is the updated 800 watts unit. So I am really happy to have this because the panels that I got, they were so immensely good, and I had so much coverage over the day that an 800 watt unit makes a lot of sense with these panels. Apart from that, while I had the time, I did take this one apart and I looked inside, and I made sure it had each and every one of the necessary components for separation and testing. I fooled the separation into thinking something was wrong, and it didn't turn on at all. So that is fully up to spec, and it's a good thing. And also I found out that when the supply voltage is too low for this thing to run, then it doesn't even turn on. So this should be a very good thing for its longevity, just because with many of the units that I know, they have like a little power supply in there that is always running on mains power, and well, these wear out, and this thing just stays dead when there is no supply solar voltage. It only syncs up to the net, to the net frequency every time that it gets power. If it gets dark, this thing powers off completely and it will not turn back on all by itself. And I like that a lot, because once you remove the solar leads, then basically the rest of this brick is completely powered down. I like that a lot. I don't think it's mandated, but I do like it a lot. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to give the update. I have the new unit. I've already tried it out once, and well, it just works. It was a drop-in replacement. I went from 600 watts to 800 watts, just like that. And now the paperwork is all fine. If something were to really go wrong, and something were to go wrong in my house, and I don't know, somebody would go and check if this is CE certified, then this thing would check all the boxes, while this thing did not. And I'm really grateful to DAH Solar that they actually set me up with a second unit, because I don't know what I would have done otherwise. I'd rather have a kit that is perfectly legal than one that is just like 75% or so. So that was it. Thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye.